Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to be making something special. So as you guys know, I was breastfeeding for the Surrogate twins, or breast pumping for the Surrogate twins, sending them milk. I'm no longer sending them milk. I have decided to dry up, but in the meantime, what I had left over from drying up, I still pumped so I didn't become engorged and I didn't get an infection or anything. I have some milk saved up that I'm going to be donating. And there was some milk that I could not donate because I had drinking this green protein smoothie drink and then realized after that it has ginseng in it, which is not recommended while breastfeeding, breast pumping, and whatnot. So I decided to keep it because liquid gold, we don't throw away gold in this house. And I'm gonna make some stuff with it. So I have some other ideas, some maybe gift ideas. I don't know. Do people give breast milk as gifts? You know, do people make stuff and give it as gifts? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe people sell it. I don't know. But I'm doing it for fun. I'm gonna make videos for you guys. And today, in celebration of the holiday season, I'm gonna be making some breast milk eggnog. And I'm gonna give it a review because this is the first time I've ever tried it, first time I've ever made it. So let's get started. So I chose a recipe from the interwebs. It's from thekitchen.com, no E in kitchen. And basically what I did is I went to Google and I typed in how to make homemade eggnog. And it has like a 4.2 rating, so that's good. Hopefully this is gonna taste good. I cut the recipe in half because I don't need 6 cups of breast milk eggnog. Separate the eggs, placing the yolks in a medium bowl and the whites in a large bowl. I don't know if I've ever separated eggs, so I'm gonna do my best. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Whoop, whoop. It's getting on me. Got clean hands, guys. Okay, I think that's good enough, right? Sure. So that's one. Ew, egg whites look gross. Good for you. Nasty looking. Okay, I think that's good. That's 2 and 3. Says to cover the whites and put them in the fridge. Next step, whisk the yolks with the sugar. Add the sugar to the yolks and whisk by hand or with a mixer until the mixture is smooth, creamy, and lightened to a lemon yellow color. Alrighty, so that means we need a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. 1/2 cup. This is the only measuring cup I have at the moment, so we're gonna make it work. I am not an expert at cooking or baking or making drinks. This is a lot of work. I'm gonna consider this part of my workout. Arms. All right, what do you guys think? That look okay? I mean, it's like kind of creamy. lemony yellow. I'm calling it good. Alright, so I'm going to whisk in the milk and the cream. So milk, or no, cream. We're gonna start with cream because the milk is still thawing. I don't know if I was supposed to shake it for that long, but I'm sure it's fine. So half cup. I think I need to use a bigger bowl. So the milk's pretty much thawed out. Half cup cream. Ooh, that's thick. Okay, this one's 5 ounces. It says 1 cup. So I need 8 ounces altogether. That one's 4 ounces. I'll just for most of it in. So here's 5 ounces. Let's smell it. Smells fine. We need 3 more ounces. That's about 3 ounces. Okay. Basically, it says to put in the fridge until you're ready to drink. And it will be good for just today. Now, if you choose to put alcohol in it, then it could be good for a couple days. It's kind of interesting. And then it says with the egg whites, right before serving, to beat them and put them in the eggnog. The egg whites are supposed to make it frothy at the top and give it an extra creamy texture. I think I'm just gonna stick with this. Here we go. A dash of nutmeg. All right, guys. What do you think this is gonna taste like? Smells okay. Wow. That's actually really, really good. So, I don't know if you guys have tried breast milk before, but to me, personally, my breast milk, it has a weird aftertaste that I don't like. It's like this taste that kind of just sticks around in your mouth, and I'm not a fan of it. So you can definitely taste that, but all in all, it does taste like eggnog. It just has that weird breast milk aftertaste. You guys, do you think it's weird that I'm drinking my breast milk? Is that a weird thing to you? I think it's more weird that I'm drinking raw egg. I think that's kind of gross. I've always been told not to do that, but hopefully this works out. Put down in the comments if you think it's weird that I'm drinking my own breast milk. Alright guys, I'm gonna make more videos of things you can make with breast milk. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, share with your breastfeeding mamas, and I hope you guys have the best day ever. God bless. Alright, Monkey Man. You give me a true review. How does the breast milk eggnog taste?
Very good.
It does?
Yep.
You like it?
Double thumbs up. That means yum, yum, yummy!